Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve the coin puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. So I'll go into this game. So the coin puzzle is part of level 12 or room 12. So I'll click on this level. And then the coin puzzle is over here on top of this box, over near the wall. So I'll tap on the box. And before you can solve this puzzle, you must have found this coin in the room, and so that coin gets put into this puzzle. It says play this game, and that allows you to solve this puzzle. And the object of this puzzle is to move those 3 coins up into those positions and to move those 3 coins down into those positions. So I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to do to move those coins. So when I show you those steps, I'm going to refer to that coin as in position 1, and then that's position 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then what I'll say is I'll say tap on 3, and that moves to 4, and so on. And that's actually the first move. Now the next move is to tap on 5, and it moves to 3, tap on 6, and it moves to 5. Tap on 4, and it moves to 6. Tap on 2, and it moves to 4. Tap on 1, and it moves to 2. Now tap on 3, and it moves down to 1. Tap on 5, and it moves to 3. Tap on 7, and it moves to 5. Tap on 6, and it moves to 7. Tap on 4, and it moves to 6. Tap on 2, and it moves to 4. Tap on 3, and it moves down to 2, and then tap on 5, and it moves to 3. Now the next move is going to be the last move that solves this puzzle, which is tap on 4, which moves to 5. So I'll tap on 4, and it moves to 5. You've solved the puzzle. The lid of that box opens, and you click on that. You pick up that chisel, and that helps you to solve the room. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.